I notice this every time that I watch people go live or when they take selfie video or selfie pictures. I always notice that everything in their picture or their video is always flipped. For example, like you can see on my shirt, you have "just do it." But when everything is flipped, the reverse is the case. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem so that anytime you are going live or you are using your selfie camera, you'll be able to project the right, the right image to your audience. There was a time I saw someone that is marketing a product, and when she tried to showcase her product, like let me say I'm trying to sell this YouTube cup, and instead of showing YouTube, the text was flipped, and that looks very, very embarrassing. So now I'm going to show you how you can resolve this both on your iPhone and on your Android phone. So let me start with the iPhone. So like on your iPhone, when you put on the camera, so this is my picture right here. Let me zoom out. So you can see this that already is flipped. So when I take a picture of myself, and you can see that the "just do" is flipped. The right top on my t-shirt is flipped. So now, how do you resolve this issue? So on your iPhone, just go to Settings, then select Camera, then you now go up and then see this place, Mirror Front Camera. Uncheck it. So when you uncheck it and then go back to your camera, so now let me zoom out a little. So now when I take a picture and you can see the result, you can see it is perfect. Now compare this with the former one. You can see this one is flipped, while this one is the right image that's supposed to appear. So when I even make the same thing on video, let me zoom out. Okay, so on video, when I record, let me just record some few seconds and then stop. Then when you check the video, you can see everything appears as it should be. So on your iPhone, go to your settings, go to camera, and then uncheck the mirror front camera. When you uncheck it, it will correct this mistake. Although I know Android have different interfaces, that's based on the operating system that each manufacturer has. So but right here I have a Samsung phone, so I'm going to use this Samsung phone to also do similar correction. So on this Samsung phone, you can see when I take a picture, you can see that the text is flipped. So now let's go back. So what I need to do, just go to Settings. So when you scroll down or scroll up, right here where this says Save Selfie as Preview, save selfie and selfie videos as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So uncheck this as well. Then go back to your camera and then take a shot, or take a shot. So you can see it is corrected here. And if I also do same on the video, let me take a little video capture. Okay, let me just stop. And you can see the image is not flipped. Everything appears how it should be. So make sure that this settings is being put in the right place so that your audience will also enjoy what you're trying to to project to them. So before I go, I will also let you know that uploading my free AdSense masterclass, getting every knowledge you need to know about some technicalities about creating content, especially on YouTube. And if you're aspiring or you want to make money on YouTube, you also need to know how the AdSense platform works. So in this free masterclass that I'll be uploading the video in the coming days, I will share details from my over 3 years of experience working with creators on about their AdSense issue, mistakes that some creators has made. I'll bring it to fore and also let you know how you can avoid those challenges. This is totally free, so it will be a free masterclass. I'll be uploading these videos as courses on this channel, so free of charge. So it's just like another way for me to give back to the community. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be part of the community, all you need to do is just to hit the subscribe button. And there's love in sharing, so please do share this video so that other creators not only on YouTube but on other social media platforms, we know how to correct this mistake whenever they use their front-facing camera. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.